Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to exclude devices on Google Ads. This is particularly useful when you want to optimize your ad spend by targeting only the devices where your audience is most active, whether that's desktops, mobile phones, tablets, or even TV screens. To get started, open your browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once you're on the page, log into your Google Ads account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your advertising campaigns. From here, locate the left navigation menu and click on the Campaigns option. This is where you'll access all the campaign management tools you need. When you click on Campaigns, the menu will expand to show you additional options. Look for the Campaigns drop-down menu within this expanded section and click on it. From the drop-down selection that appears, click on Campaigns again. This will take you to a comprehensive view of all the campaigns currently running under your Google Ads account. Now, you'll see a list of all your campaigns displayed on the screen. To exclude a device from a specific campaign, you'll need to access that campaign's settings. Hover your cursor over the campaign you want to modify and you'll notice a gear icon appears next to it. Click on this gear icon to open your campaign settings menu where all the customization options are housed. Once you're inside the campaign settings menu, scroll down until you locate the section labeled Additional Settings. Click on it to expand this menu and reveal more options. From the expanded menu, find and click on Devices. This section is specifically designed to help you control which devices your ads will appear on, giving you precise targeting control. Now comes the key step for excluding devices. Click on the radio button that says Set Specific Targeting for Devices. This will activate the device targeting options. You'll see 4 primary device categories listed: computers, mobile phones, tablets, and TV screens. Each of these will have a checkbox next to it. Simply uncheck any of the devices you wish to exclude from your campaign. For example, if you find that your ads perform poorly on tablets, you can uncheck that option to stop showing ads on those devices. Once you've made your selections, click Save to apply these changes. And that's it. You've successfully excluded specific devices from your Google Ads campaign, allowing you to focus your budget on the platforms that deliver the best results for your business. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.